So you go direct to part, you click here, or you can, there is a shortcut Ctrl N, but I prefer this one. We are going to open our part module to start designing, because mainly SolidWorks is made up of these three parts, or these three modules, even though we shall look at other components, but those ones are main. These are the major three, because for example, if you are looking at designing a machine, a complete machine, you design part by part. Then after designing the parts, you will have to assemble those parts together to come up with the final machine. Then in drafting, you show us the details of your designs, the dimensions, like maybe as we shall see. So we shall select part, say OK, and we want to look at how we can come up with how we can draw this in SolidWorks. They have given us the base is 100. All the dimensions are in millimeters here. They have given us the base is 100 by 63. As you see, all the dimensions are given. So we want to start. When you look at this module they have given us, you know SolidWorks, we draw mainly on planes. Let me try to put the planes on. We have the top plane, and we have the front and the right. So depending on the design they have given you, the design gives you the plane that you want to start with. But according to this module that we want to draw, it's better to start with the top plane. And actually most people start with the top plane because it represents the ground. It represents the ground floor. So I'm going to select the top plane. Just come to this tree here. The top plane is here. When you click on the plane, the options come here. So I'll choose sketch. Automatically it will take me to the sketching mode. So I'm going to use a rectangle, which is center rectangle. Why is my machine slowing down? Okay, center rectangle. You press it anywhere, then you use your smart dimension tool. We want the dimensions. They have told us 100. Then you press OK. Then this side we are going to make it 60. It was 63, right? Yeah, let me check properly. And then the height we are going to protrude by what? By 12. The height is 12. So we shall say OK here. Then we exit the sketch, and you come to features. There is an option for extruded base or base. So we are going to give it 12, the height. Then after doing this, when you look at our design, it shows that there is this part is filleted. There is a command we call the fillet tool by the radius of 25. So you come, let me minimize this a bit. Okay, so we want to fillet these two. You can select both of them. Then you go to the fillet tool. Fillet tool, where are you? If you are not seeing a command, you can search it here. Yeah, fillet is there, but sometimes if you don't see a command, you can search it here, even though this time is around here. So fillet, we are going to fillet that by 25 millimeters. Say okay. Yeah, I think the design is starting to look like what we want it to be. Then when you go back here, there are these holes. They are telling us they are 12 what? They are 12 millimeters. So when we go back to we want to sketch on this what? We want to sketch, no, I chose a different one. So we want to sketch on this, and we can pick a circle. Now when you try to move your cursor around this edge, it will show you the center of this arc, and it's where those two holes are drawn. So we can draw one there. This one is not coming. Let me go back and select. Okay, it has come. Then after that, we can use our smart dimension tool to dimension this. It was 25. Here they are taking diameter, so if it's 25, diameter will be 50. Oh, sorry, I was supposed to put in 25, not 50. So it's supposed to be 25. No, it was 12. Sorry, it was 12. 12. 12. Here they are taking diameter, so meaning that is 24. Okay. Really? It is supposed to be 12. Is it the one? I think I have. Let me first undo something here. Okay. So my smart dimension tool, let me go back a little bit. Let me delete this. I want to smart dimension this. Yeah, 12, which is okay. Even this one, it is supposed to be 12. Okay, then we can exit, and there is a shortcut for, you can put it in what? Okay, let me first fit this. What? My machine is slowing. I don't know why. It's slowing a bit, but it's loaded with many things. I think that's why it's becoming a little bit slow. So after we want to cut out this, there is an option for extruded cut. So we want to cut out these two. I wanted to select both of them at once. We want to select this and this, and we want to extrude cut. Yeah, there are options here. There is an option for putting the depth of how much you want to cut, but for us we want to cut through all. Okay, then you press OK. So that one will just cut through, but you can put, there are many options there, as we shall keep on seeing them. So having finished that, we have this member. they tell you that from the bottom to the center of this circle, it's supposed to be 90 what? 90 millimeters. So we are going to, we shall, and that is on this side, sorry. So we shall select this side, we want to sketch on this side, and you can pick a line. That is 90. Okay, we can convert this line to be at 90 degrees. That is fine, but we want to make it for construction, and we want to define its length from here up to here to be 90. Okay, let me fit this 90. Then they told us the diameter of this circle is what? 50. Have you seen that? It's 50. So we want to get a circle. We draw it here. Let's radius is 25. Okay. Okay, which is fine. And then they cut out by, how much is that? This circle is, diameter is 25, right? Okay, my machine is slowing a bit, but shall move on slowly. Then we need another circle inside, and I'm going to use the smart dimension tool. I want to define this by 25. Okay, then we can exclude this. Then there is this part, here. There are many ways you can draw. It depends on your creativity. There is no standard procedure. It depends on your creativity. So me, I want to first exclude this because there is a command I wanted to show you. So this one, this arrow shows you the direction you want, but I want to change the direction to, I want to change my direction in the opposite direction. There is through all blind. So this blind you can change. I don't know, it was by how many? Let me see. Didn't they give us this? I think this distance is runs from this side up to the end. So it is going to be 23. I mean 63, right? So we shall yeah. Oh, the dimension was given this side. Have you seen it? Yeah, it's 44. Thank you. You'll bear with me, my machine is a bit slow. So 44. We can say okay. Yeah. So I can go back to which sketch is that one? There are many options here. You want to edit a sketch, you want to so we want to draw another part here, or you can go back and edit the other sketch if you want it to be edited, but we shall not waste that time. So we want something tangent. Let me see, because protruding you have to make sure you draw a closed part. So we shall see how we handle that. So we want to make this line. Let me check. Okay. Already it shows you that this line is tangent to what? To this circle. So I can get a circle. No, that one is not right. I want to get a curve by there is another curve by 3 points. Yeah, it's here. So I want here, and then there. Let me first oh no, that is bad. Okay, that is bad. I want a curve like that. Have you seen that? Okay, so we can exit this. Then we want to protrude, I think by it was by 10. Okay, it was by 10. So we want to change this. We want to change the direction. Give that 10. Something like this. Okay. I think it's coming out slowly. Then next is we have this portion. I think we can start with this rib here, right? We can start with the rib. Still the same procedure we used. Let me bring in my planes because it's already symmetrical. It's in the middle of the what? So I'm going to sketch on this plane here. Oh no, I need this one. I need to sketch on that plane. Have you seen it? Here, and the dimensions were I think here, okay, so we want to are you seeing our sketch? So we want to exclude this, but this time we are going to use mid plane, the last one, and it was by 10. 10 is already there. Now, are you seeing this error? That error shows that there is somewhere the lines are not connecting well. They are saying unable to create the features because it would result into zero thickness geometry. So it means there is somewhere the lines are not reaching the what? So we need to revisit our sketch and we do some editing of the sketch. That error comes when the lines are suspended, like they are in space. So you need to edit. So we are going to move some of our lines a little bit. I want to delete that. I want to extend it a little bit inside. There should be some still the same problem down here, but let me try to see if that one is now okay. Okay, no, this sketch, okay, yeah. The problem could be down this side. I have seen it. Okay, let me go back. I first edit my sketch down here. It is not proper. Not proper. Let's try to okay. Plane, face, and edge, which to sketch the future. Okay. All right. Let me just what? Try to say mid plane 10. So there we go. So in most cases that error comes when any of the lines is suspended in space, when it's not reaching what? The body of the drawing that you are trying to draw. Okay, and then we go back to our, so we have this part, this last part up. They are telling us this is 98 plus plus 48, you get what? That is 138. So we shall need to draw this thing at 138 millimeters from the floor. Okay. All right. So you can draw it in different ways, but I want to what? To draw something using this. Okay. think I can use this down plane. So okay, we want to sketch on that plane. Okay, oh no, that one I've chosen a wrong plane. I need this plane here. I sketch on this plane, and they have told us that let me first fit this. This should be 100 and what? Should be 100. It was 100 and what? Calculated 130. Is it? Okay. And the degree here should be 90 sharp on the plane. The distance is 138. Okay. Then at 138, we have to draw. We have now I'm going to use this as the cross section. Then I protrude it. How do you say that? Is that okay? Yeah, it's fine. And it's the dimensions are, this was given as 12 plus 12, 24, then plus this 3, you get okay, get 27. So I will get my circle, I mean my rectangle. Okay. Let me use the smart dimension tool. This is supposed to be, sorry, I didn't select. This is supposed to be, what was this? Oh, now we need to calculate the, but it touches. I think that one has no big deal, since we have we just need this. This is 32. I think it is the important thing. The other one has to touch. Okay, let me first leave that. I first make sure I calibrate this. My machine is a bit slow. This is 27, and that is 27, and then okay, so I'm going to protrude this by how many? Let me first check. 27 by 32. Okay, let me exit my sketch features. So now it's going to be not made plain, blind. This time I want to go this side by 32. Okay. Alright. Then someone needs to, we've made some mistakes, so we need to go back to the sketch. We do some editing. Okay. Okay, we want to use let me see here. They show us that the distance from here to the top is supposed to be 48. So we can make some adjustment here. Use the smart dimension tool from here. That means we need to first create the center line here, such that we use the smart dimension from here up to here. It was what? Dimension was supposed to be, is it 38? Yeah, it's 48. So that is 48. Have you seen? Then you say okay and exit sketch. So when you update it automatically, so you see it did not fit the what? Are you seeing? So there is another command here. When you select this face and okay, there is a command here I want to show you. Okay, we can no, we want to convert entities. Then after converting entities, okay, excludes. Then we want it to extend. There is a command here, up to surface, so it will extend up to surface of that, up to that what? Up to the surface of you want to select the surface you want it to extend to, then you say okay, so it will cover up the other part, so you don't need again to go and draw what. Just use that command. Are we together? Are you still there? Oh, he has gone. Okay, so I think we can end here for today. You can polish up a bit, can remove the planes, and our drawing, yeah, you can change the appearance here. No, let me, come on. Should I don't think I need to apply that. No. I think this is okay. Okay, these are different projections, but I want it in that form. Yeah, I think that is fine for today. We can stop here for today. Thank you for watching. Be blessed. By the way, don't forget to save. Control S, save. Can save. I save this to Okay, where is this? Let me save to thank you for watching. God bless you and good morning.